In today's video, guys, I want to cover something very important that not too many people paying attention. And what it is to save you time and money when you're going for the road test. So let's start from something that had happened a couple days ago. I had a student that called me and asked me, Alex, can I have a lesson with you? So when he came, he told me this story that what happened with him when he went for the road test. So I didn't know the person. He just showed up and took a lesson from me. So what happened? He was going for the road test, and he took his friend's car for the test. And when they were waiting for the examiner, after he went and registered, when he was waiting for the examiner, his friend took the mask off. When examiner approached the car, he told them that I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna go with you for the road test because the person that was sitting beside you didn't cover a mask. He didn't have a mask on his face. So the guy said, I'm sorry, he just took it out. Examiners, they don't care, guys. You have to pay attention that when they come to you and they see something like this, for them, it's just a normal thing. He's just telling you that I'm sorry, I'm not gonna go with you for the test, and you cannot do anything. So after that, he was waiting for a test for almost 2 months, and after that, he started argue with his friend. He said, you see, now I lost again, one more test, and examiner heard. So he went inside and wrote a letter that the person, the applicant, the person that he was supposed to go for the road test, he argued with the examiner. And what happened after? He got the letter from the Minister of Transportation that he's not allowed to go for any test centers until he's gonna call to the person that will talk to him, and he needs to explain what happened. Anyway, he tried to call to this person to try to explain what happened during the test, and it took him another 30 days until he got approval to go for the road test. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you in this video, there is no right or wrong. There is a rules, and we have to follow them. What can we do? We live in this situation that the only thing that we have to do is to follow the rules and to follow the guidance that what they want. Also, guys, when you're going now for the road test, they will give you a piece of paper with instructions, and I'm gonna put over here so you can see what's the paper is about. Anyway, so after he got approval from the person that he was talking to, the person told them probably from the customer service. The person told him that you are not allowed to go for the same location, so you have to choose different place. And that's the true story. This is what he told me. If you have the same situation, guys, leave a comment down below. I will read, and if I can help you, to guide you, to let you know what's the best to do in this case, I will try my best to help you. Also, guys, for my Patreon VIP in month of February, what I'm going to do, guys, is my first 15 VIPs. You got 15 minutes with me on any maneuver that you would like to have for G-test or for G2. 15 minutes on me, guys, as thank you for supporting my channel. And what else did I want to tell you? Oh, guys, another thing very important. You're going for the road test, and you, as I know, like it's not new. It's everybody is watching the route for the road test. Today I was at the Dansview Test Center, and the student failed the test. So what happened? And I heard because the car that he was going for the road test parked beside me, and examiner told him that he told him to make right turn on the test, and he was turning left because he watched the video. So if you're going for Downsview, for example, before they were turning right on Kill Street and they were going to the test center. Now they don't. So he was going, examiner told them to make a left turn, but he actually turned to the right. And when they came back, examiner has to write again later, because now they come with the tablets and they have a GPS. And if he supposed to go left but actually turn to the right, this is a completely different route. So I'm just telling you, don't be too much depend on the routes, because the route now, I know in Downsview changed for a G test, Orangeville changed for a G test. That's what I know. New place, Mississauga new test center, also they changed the highway test. So all of this, and also Downsview, I think they also have some changes on G2, guys. So don't just look at YouTube and whatever routes they are there. Don't be dependent on it, because sometimes you are like become like concentrating and you just turning, and then you forgetting where actually examiner is asking you to go. So that's about it in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you to understand that as some people they commenting mask is not important, this and this. I don't know what it is. I know that the rules is the rules, and if you want to lose your test, don't wear the mask. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.